from A Side of Sweet, and I am so excited to share today's recipe with you. If you read the title, then you know why you're here, and that is for bacon wrapped donuts. I bet you're wondering the same thing when I set out to make this recipe, which is this just a gimmick? Is it too good to be true? Or like, are these things actually delicious? And I would have to say, actually, unfortunately, for all of our waistlines, they're actually really delicious. They taste, I'd say, better than donuts or bacon separately. Before we jump into the recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and of course, follow me on Instagram to see what I'm up to on a daily basis. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe.
All you'll need is store-bought donuts or donut holes, bacon, and canola oil for frying. Start by wrapping the donuts with bacon in an overlapping fashion. Don't worry if your donut breaks, just cover both ends with bacon and secure them together with a toothpick. You won't be able to tell after frying. Secure loose ends with toothpicks. This recipe will work with regular yeast donuts or cake donuts. Another fun idea is bacon wrapped donut holes. This is a great way to use up extra bacon. Heat a bottle of canola oil in a large pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry donuts until crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove toothpicks and enjoy immediately.
And that's it. Like I said, super easy, only 2 steps, 2 ingredients, just bacon and donuts. And so for the final taste test, they really shouldn't taste this good. If you like this recipe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so you get notified of all my future videos. And if you make these donuts, make sure you tag me on Instagram at A Side of Sweet. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.